Hi, I'm Anthony from Langley Dam, manager at the fishery, and today I'm just going to quickly show how to basically set up a rod for beginners, how to seat the reel, feed the line on, put your cast on, and also how to put a dropper on, find the seat, the hole in the reel, in the rod to sit the reel on. You turn the wash around, there you go, you'll find there that it fits. Pull some line off the reel. Start feeding it through the eyes on the rod. Just making sure as you go that you don't miss one of the eyes out, which I've seen before. There you go. And then put a bit of slack. Take your tippet or your leader and very basically attach it to your fly line using the same knot as you would tying on your fly. Yep, just wet that. Pull it tight. There you go. Just trim off the excess. Here you go. Now, a good length for your leader is to make it just a little bit longer than the length of your rod, and I'll show you the reason in a minute. So that's the length of the rod there. So if we make the leader probably about another 18 inches longer, we'll cut that off. There you go. That's basically your rod setup for a single fly setup. There's your line. Tie your fly to the end, and you're ready to go. Same knot with about 6 or 7 turns. Back through the loop next to the eye. Wet it slightly. Pull your line. There you have basic setup ready to fish. Okay, now that the rod's basically set up, I'll show you how to tie a dropper onto your line so that you can fish 2 flies at once. So we take about 8 to 10 inches of line. There you go. Now then, that's the end of your fly line that you had, your tippet that you had your fly on. So if we measure back, probably about 3 foot. It doesn't have to be exact. And then if you take both pieces of line, this is your new piece here, lie it next to your tippet, hold it with your finger and thumb, and then just twist the line so that you get a loop like that. Hold it in your fingers so that's running down together. Then just take the line through and back out through the loop. Very simple. And again, if you do that 3 times, then wet your knot, hold on the 2 points, pull the line, and that will make the loop. Join there, pull it tight, just get the snips, make sure to cut the right one off. That's it, and there you have a dropper tied onto your leader. Okay, and there you go, that's ready to fish 2 flies now. Grand.